You can prepare so many varieties of tasty salads using red kidney beans. One of them using pomegranate and red kidney bean combination. This salad is very tasty and good for weight loss. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special protein salad for weight loss with red kidney beans. Take 300 grams of red kidney beans and wash them thoroughly. After washing, pour enough water and soak them overnight. After soaking for overnight, drain the water, drop the beans into a pressure cooker or a cooking bowl, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt or sea salt, pour water 1 centimeter above the beans and cook it till the beans become softer. If you are using pressure cooker, let the cooker give 6-7 whistles in medium flame. Until beans get ready, we'll prepare other ingredients. For that, take small bunch of coriander leaves and chop them finely. After coriander leaves, take small bunch of dill leaves and cut finely. Without onion, salad is incomplete. Take 1 medium size of onion and cut into half moon shape. If available, use red onion. Pomegranate will give sweet and sour taste to salad. Here I am using 1 medium size pomegranate. Cut the pomegranate and separate the seeds and keep them in a bowl. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants and very healthy. Our beans get cooked well. Drain the water and drop the cooked beans in a mixing bowl. Now add chopped dill leaves, sliced onion, coriander leaves, pomegranate, half teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chilli flakes, black salt to taste, and 30 ml of olive oil. If you don't find black salt, you can use regular salt. Mix gently with fork and spoon or in any comfortable way. If you mix harder, pomegranate and beans will get crushed. Try to mix gently and not to crush the pomegranate and beans. That's it, our salad is ready. Very simple to prepare and very healthy salad. Eating salads every day will keep you fit and healthy. Make salads as part of your everyday diet. Sure, you will observe tremendous changes in your health. I will show you so many varieties of healthy salads in my future videos. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel. There will be many varieties of healthy salads in my future videos.